Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another subscription box unboxing. It is for my Allure beauty box. This is for, I don't even remember what month. You guys are going to have to forgive me. I know you guys haven't seen me in like 2 months. I'm sorry, I apologize. Nursing school has consumed me, sucked me in. I miss you guys. I know I'm trying to figure out how I can make my way back and be consistent because I miss you guys. Anyway, I digress. This is for the Allure beauty box. I believe this is for December. I want to see December, so we're gonna open it up. We're gonna see. So this was their December box that they did in collaboration with NikkieTutorials, and I always like seeing influencer collaborations just to see like what they pick, whatever it is or whatever they've concocted for the general public, for the masses. So inside this booklet, they usually give you coupon codes on each of the products that they've included inside of the box, and then as always, there is a note on the front page from the beauty director over at Allure. So jumping right into the products of this month's box. The first thing that we have here is a collaboration with Ofra Cosmetics and NikkieTutorials. This is the Everglow highlighter trio. That is a trio. I had to count it real quick looking at the booklet. And I have it here in bubble wrap. So this says that it was custom made by Ofra Cosmetics for Allure box. So you guys can just see what that looks like here. I am eyeballing this heavy. This looks like summer. That is calling my name. So it shouldn't surprise anyone that DeJager's own highlighter gives you a glow you can see on Google Maps, or at least from across a room. So extra. Created in partnership with Ofra, a cruelty-free makeup brand, the formula is super smooth and buildable. You can layer it up until it's blinding, or you can use a light hand for a more natural glow. All right, so this product, this is a full-size product and it does retail for $35. These don't really have names, so I'm just gonna point out which one that I'm swatching and then show you guys. So the first one that I'm going to swatch is this one, this gold champagne type of color. So that is the first one. Very pigmented, just lightly dusted my hand on that. Next one I'm swatching is this pearl color. That is what that one looks like. That one is very pigmented, even more pigmented, very beautiful. I'm always scared of those kinds of colors because I feel like they just would look ashy on my skin tone. And then finally, this kind of, I don't know, this, it's like a terracotta color, this clay color, and that is it right there. So that is very beautiful. I really like this. Definitely gonna try all of them and see how they look, but this is nice. You can't go wrong. You can never have too much highlighter, so this is really good. Depending on what time of the year, you can alternate between shades. I prefer to do more of this this bronze color in the summertime and then more of the champagne color in the winter time. So next we have this NYX lip lingerie, and this is in the shade Cabaret Show. As you might have imagined, all of the colors from the NYX lip lingerie collection, they're all kind of like nudes that would look really good on any variety of skin tones, but I think there's like just essentially one type of nude for each skin tone, which is really nice. So that is what it looks like on the back of my hand. Next, we have this custom eyeshadow palette from Juvia's Place. Initial thoughts, taking this straight out of the box, this is perfect for travel size. I know when I travel, I don't like to, I just have gotten in the habit of not bringing makeup palettes with me, just bringing the essentials, because I'm so terrified of palettes getting shattered. So this is the perfect cute little size to put in your carry-on bag and like bury it under some clothes and know that it's gonna be safe and sound. So good looking out, Nikki. Good looking out. So taking a closer look at the palette, you guys can see it comes with 6 pretty neutral shades. It does not have a mirror, so that might be the only downside, but that's okay. It's not a big deal breaker. So these are very warm neutrals that we have here, and we have 3 matte shades and 3 shimmer shades in the palette, and it's 3 that are matte and then 3 that are shimmer. Next up, we have this from Ren Clean Skincare, the Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm. So I have heard of this brand before. I've gotten a sample from them, a sample or 2 from them in my IPSY glam bags. But just to give you guys more background information, it says if you're looking for a great winter moisturizer, an excellent first step is asking someone who lives in Amsterdam. Not exactly known for its balmy climate. Thank you to Jager for turning me onto Ren's nighttime balm. When my skin gets dry to the point of looking ashy, really nice visual I know, this pot of gold ushers away the flakiness better than a lot of rich creams I've tried. Its light oils, including almond, jojoba, and sunflower, melt into skin without any greasiness or shine, and it calms redness. It's good for any skin type, even oily or sensitive. Just don't layer it under serums or creams. They might not penetrate the balm. And what a waste of good skincare. So a full-size jar of this retails for $48, and you can find it on their website, renskincare.com. So as always, I tell you guys, when I get these kind of face products, I have to definitely go in and read the ingredients, just because I do not want to have an allergic reaction. That, who has time for that? I certainly don't. So definitely have to go in and read the ingredients, make sure that it doesn't have anything that is going to make my skin flare up. Second to last, we have this LASplash Art-Ki-Tekt. They're trying to say architect, but it says Art-Ki-Tekt. I'll put some text on the screen so you can see what I'm saying, or you guys can look it down in the description box to see how it's spelled out. This is the Art-Ki-Tekt waterproof slim eyeliner, and I love that this is in rose gold packaging. So pretty. So full size, this is a full size. It retails for $14. So I do believe that was the last product that was in there. However, they did include an additional little just baby size product. I believe this is only one wipe. This is a Neutrogena makeup remover cleansing towel. It is a single one, so it is only one. And I have seen a lot of influencers on YouTube using this. They rave about it. They post about it all the time, and they just say that these are so good. So I will try these out. You guys know that my Burt's Bees makeup remover wipes are my tried and true. So it's just a matter of, I'm gonna have to try it out and see how it works. Hopefully, again, it doesn't make my skin flare up, but maybe this could be the new next best thing. So, and it does have, on the back, they have these singles. However, I'm a bit of a, not a cynist, but I'm a realist. I never just use one makeup remover wipes. I never just use one makeup remover wipe. A lot of packages say that you can just use one and it's going to be great. It's going to be so fantastic. I usually end up using 3 or 4. So that's just being realistic. I use it until it wipes clean, and then I go in and wash off my face. So would this be enough? Would I invest in a package that has a bunch of single wipes? No, I would probably just buy a big pack and use as many as I need. So that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more subscription box unboxings, definitely let me know. If you guys want to see a tutorial with any of the products that I got here, I definitely feel like I could almost make a full face with all these. Of course, I don't have any like foundation or anything like that, but if you guys wanted to see a tutorial with the products that I got this month, definitely drop that down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.